So these are the ugly closet doors from the 70s that I need to make over. They're brown with this faux wood grain, but the surface of these doors are actually smooth. Today I'm going to use a couple of rolls of this white wood contact paper to give my closet doors a new, fresh, and updated look. It will also brighten up the space. This contact paper also has a very faint and discreet wood grain. It's also self-adhesive, so I won't have to mess with any glue or tape. And if we flip the paper over, there are grid lines at the back, so you can cut strips of them according to your size requirements. But for my project today, we won't be needing the grid lines. I literally unrolled the roll of contact paper and started from the top of the closet door, keeping it flush to the top and to the left of my closet door. And then I gradually removed the wax backing while using a wide squeegee brush to smooth out all the air bubbles. And what I really appreciate about this contact paper is that if you need to do a readjustment, you can easily remove the contact paper and re-stick it onto the closet door. That way, if you mess up, it's easy to fix and you don't have to waste any of the contact paper. See how easy it is to apply the contact paper? It goes on very smoothly, and the squeegee brush just helps to ensure there are no bumps caused by air bubbles. So here I have applied the first strip of contact paper to the first door. To cut the bottom, I just used a box cutter and cut right along the edge. And here's what the door looks like with a second piece applied. And now for the final look for both closet doors. This only took about an hour to do both doors, and with the leftovers, I'll use it to line a couple of drawers and shelves as well.